Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Chris, back with a follow-up video on my ball joint project that I did on my 99 F250 Super Duty. I did the ball joints, I did the inner U-joints, the vacuum seals for the vacuum actuated hubs, and that took care of my popping, but I also had another noise which I have heard in the past, which is kind of like this noise. This is the stock vacuum actuated hub. You can see how this one's loose, and that is kind of what I had been hearing too. I understand that this does not locate this outer axle shaft very well, or the stub shaft, and it moves like around inside, and it kind of gives you like maybe a popping or a similar type noise. So I went ahead and bought some premium Warn locking hubs. This locking hub on the driver's side, actually, it's got a little bit of a noise, but not much. I noticed that getting this old snap ring out was way easier on the driver's side with the kind of good hub than the passenger side. It was kind of a pain to get it out. So here's my new hub assembly. New cover, all the bolts and everything. Very, very, very easy install. If you do some research on YouTube, you can figure out how to do it, but basically this slides in, splines onto the axle and the actual hub, and then you got your snap ring, which is a spiral snap ring. It's very easy to install, and then you have your cover, and I would definitely lube your O-ring here on the back side and then put your screws in. And I have a Warn locking hub system on my Blazer, and I would definitely anti-seize the threads and the head of this, because I've had issues with getting it back apart when you have to go in and service things. So, but let you guys know if it fixes my little noise, and you guys take care. Have a good day. See you later.